In this video, I'll show you how to display the region on your account information in X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is a quick settings change that can help make your account information more complete and easier to view. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open X.com and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left navigation bar, click More. This will open up additional options that are not shown in the main menu. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account privacy and safety controls are located. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Inside this section, you'll find several options related to your account visibility and personal information. Now, click About your account. This menu contains account details and information settings that you can manage. Once you're inside, look for the option labeled Use Region or Continent. Toggle it on. As soon as you enable this setting, your region information will be shown on your account information page. That's all there is to it. You've now turned on region display in your X.com or Twitter account information. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more quick and useful social media tips.